mall. And very, very, very nice scene. Okay, this is what you call calamansi plant, and this is the lamp post and the building and the Chukchak Chenes Mall. Okay, the people from different races, different places, and that's Bruce Willis. No, it's Bruce Lee, of course.
Ay, Bruce Lee nga ba? Ito si Bruce Lee ba to? O si ano? Bruce Lee to, diba?
Bruce Lee. Here you see the lady trying to what? Yep. Where are we going? Okay, bye. Bye, Happy New Stars. Bye, Bruce Lee. Bye.